I'm here to present our future international technological park in the Algarve. Algarve is a region in the southern part of Portugal. It's known as being especially for tourism, agriculture and fisheries. And there we have our capital, we have Faro, where is the airport, and our international technological park will be placed exactly nearby the university, nearby the airport, nearby the city, but also very well connected with the high roads for all the rest of Europe. So we are now implementing this project through a consortium between the regional authority for planning and European funds management, the airport authority, the municipality, and of course the university. Our plot will be only for 20 hectares for an area or 120 because we decided that the most part of that area is dedicated to enterprises. But for technological part managed by local and regional and public authorities, mainly it will be conducted only on 20 of those areas. So we are now mobilizing other funds also for our technological part because we are managing the money and the expectations from even the owners of the land, but also of some of the enterprises that are already there. So we are going to mix different funds to create an area where it will be very attractive by the place, by the conditions of work, by the conditions of connections with university, but also to be as efficient as and intelligent as possible, because we must have not only eco-efficiency, but also financial efficiency, but also management productivity. So that's our commitment by now. Facing the fact that there are a lot of several private owners, we have found 2 owners of the main plots that are committed by now with us for the project. So we are going to create it in an area, and we are now making the organization plan for all the 120. And inside, of course, there will be our 20 plot for the area for the technological park. We are managing the project in order to be efficient, to be eco, everything that we have been talking these days, but also we are working not only the park itself, but the connections with the external area. So mobility at internal and external level is something that we are concerned about. Also, we had the change that you have there, a small river, so we create a very important green area that will be important not only for environmental aspects, but also, and of course, by these days, for eco-marketing the place, because it will be a very nice place to work and to live. Live because there will be also other residential areas. We are taking in account the fact that we are finishing our urbanization plan and 2020 strategy, 2020 funds will appear. So we are now mobilizing the expectations of the owners of the different areas. We are mobilizing the expectations from different enterprises that will develop, they want to go nearby the airport. And so we are going to try to bring new enterprises for that area. What is the most important and why I'm here now is because I came here to get new ideas, to try to find innovative aspects, but also to show you our future project and ask you if you want to give us any support, any enterprise, some kind of initiatives or even innovative initiatives that will come in the future. We will appreciate very much that will bring us some kind of ideas, because we are now talking of these aspects as being very innovative, very new, but nowadays, from my point of view, they are already old. We must think in the next 5-10 years, so we would like to ask you to bring as much as possible some kind of critics, some kind of suggestions, some kind of ideas, so that we cannot forget all these new and modern aspects that we are dealing now, but we'd like to think for the next 10 years. So please, if you have some ideas, just send to us. Thank you very much.